This presentation was designed by Anto Hepsi. We know computer was a fast calculating device. It's used for doing scientific and engineering calculations. Later people thought it can be used for business purposes also. There are two differences between scientific application and business application. The first difference is that the scientific applications need small amount of input and give small amount of output. But business application need large amount of data as input and give lengthy reports as output. The second difference is that the scientific applications involve complex computations, but business applications involve addition, subtraction, etc. Since the computer can do business applications, people need a programming language to do the work. Fortran was popular at that time, but not flexible for doing business. So new language COBOL was developed. The abbreviation for COBOL is Common Business Oriented Language. Now let's learn how computers are used in business. Computer-based business applications were called BDPS. The abbreviation for BDPS is Business Data Processing Systems. For doing business, COBOL language was used. Business data was stored in the form of data files, and COBOL programs were used to process the data files and create reports. COBOL programs have very lengthy codes. For example, if we want to write a program for calculating simple payroll, we need to write a program of 500 lines, and sometimes need even more than 1000 lines. So people need more flexible and simple system to maintain data files and small coding to do a program. Because of that reason, DBMS came into existence. DBMS is a software that creates and manages data files easily and also gives reports in an attractive format. The first popular DBMS was DBase. DBase 3 became very popular. DBase 3 Plus and DBase 4 were in use for some time. Foxbase was a similar DBMS. Foxbase was modified and called as Fox Pro. Now Fox Pro is used in several small companies. Then a new technology called GUI was introduced. The abbreviation for GUI is Graphical User Interface. This technology was used for designing programs. Using this technology, the program was designed in such a way that the user can see some pictures and icons on the monitor and select them for giving input, which is very easy for the user. GUI program is divided into two parts. 1. For managing data. 2. Design pictures and icons to get input from the user. The first part is called the back end and the second part is called the front end. In the meantime, many file management techniques was introduced. Using these techniques, the user can allow more than one file to be manipulated by giving simple commands. This type of data file is called relational database. The database management system which supports relational databases and relational features is called RDBMS. The abbreviation for RDBMS is Relational Database Management System. For example, Oracle 2000 is a RDBMS product. Oracle is given in several modules. They are Oracle Workgroup 2000, Oracle Developer 2000, Oracle Designer 2000, Oracle Power Object 2000. Forms 4.5 is a tool in Oracle Developer 2000 for designing GUI, and Report Writer is a tool for designing and getting reports. The software which can be used only for the front end is called Front End Tool. Visual Basic, Visual C++, Power Builder are some examples for front end tools. Visual Basic is normally used with the back end tool called Access. Visual Basic can be used with Oracle also. Power Builder is used with RDBMS base. Examples for RDBMS are Ingrace, Informix and Unify. Mainframe computers use COBOL language for business applications. Likewise, some mainframe computers use DB/2 for business applications also. Now we are going to learn what is networking. The number of computers connected to each other is called a network. A centralized network is a network having a central computer called a server and other computers called nodes. A centralized airline reservation system has a server at the main office. and nodes at all airports, travel agencies, etc. In some types of networks, there is no central server. All the computers are connected together through telephone connections or radio waves. In centralized networks, a remote node can communicate only with the server. But in other type of network, any two nodes can communicate with each other directly. In client-server architecture, two types of software are needed for the system. The software needed to do the work of the node is called client software, and the software needed to run the central system is called the server. In the next slide you can see the diagram for the centralized network.